Hey guys, so today we're having the tires changed over to Michelin tires and higher load rating. At the moment this one is, I think it's 112 over 110. I'll be getting the 121 load rating because the van weight has improved, have gone up a bit to 4.5 tons. So I'll be getting this 4.4 tons. I'll be getting this increased. It was meant to be done last week, but it kept being moved, but it should be done today. Okay. Bye guys. So hey guys, so yeah, it's now almost 7 p.m. and they've arrived to fit the tire. And these are the tire. They've only got 4. So that we fit the last one another time. Right. Okay. So I've had the tire fitted, and this is the front tire. Let me just get the light a bit so you can see. Okay. So this is the front tire, and it fits really nice. There's lots of gap in it. It's not too big. It's perfect for this car. Yeah, it's a 225 75 R16 C, and it's loaded and rated for 121 load rating. Try and see if you can see it. There you go. 225 75 121 load rating. So yeah, it's quite good. So I just spent a day doing a few things in the van and also building this for the spare tire. This is the tire we have, Michelin Agilis Crossclimate. Michelin Agilis Crossclimate. And they fitted 4, but they forgot to bring 1, so they're gonna bring the 1 later today. And this is the spare tire, and I'm gonna put the Michelin on here, and then I'll put it on here. So this is how it should look on the roof box. I'm gonna have to cut this a bit shorter, and then that way the boat can go in. Okay, it's now dark, and it's now being installed. The aluminium, it's a 5mm aluminium thick, and put the bolts in. So the spare tire will go on here, and then it will be bolted down, and it will stay there. You have space over there for other things. But yeah, it's going well. Okay, so I'm just installing the spare tire on the roof. Completely tight now. I'm just making sure that the bolt is completely tight. It's not going anywhere. Tire is secure. Can't move it at all. That is very secure. So tightening it up is pushing this plate up and pushing the tire down into the plate. And this plate is secure to the roof box. So this tire is staying put. It is the Michelin Agilis Crossclimate, and it's the 225 75 RC, and the load rating is 121 120. So yeah, just to give you an update of months after tire was installed, and it doesn't look as clean as it did the first time round. But if you look, see the space on it, you can put my 4 fingers in there, no problem. It's about 10 centimeter high. So that's been fixed now, so it's no longer rubbing. Before it was, after I drove it a bit, it came quite low to here, but I now increased it now by 2 inches or so, so it gives it a very good height. So the van looks like this. This is what the van looks like. It looks like a 4x4 van now. Yeah, but it's only a rear wheel drive, but it looks like a 4x4. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know on the comments below if you enjoy this kind of video, and also what kind of tires you have in your van. Is it all-terrain, normal tires? Did you have to lift your vehicle? Oh yeah, before I forget, what I did to lift the front of the vehicle is I added a new heavy-duty front springs, and that lifted the vehicle up by 2 inches. So that helped a lot. So yeah, have a good day and see you next week.